This is a 1933 Packard Super 8 convertible. I have side mount spares here. Under the hood is, as you would imagine, an 8-cylinder engine. Also available this year was a 12-cylinder engine. These were the days when the more cylinders the better, going up to 16 cylinders in some situations. Beautiful cream color with a green trim. This looks like an unrestored original. I think the seats may have been redone at some point. There you see the central gauge cluster. Very complete. There's a little ashtray there at the top of the dash, and brakes on the left, emergency brake. It looked like the starter was that prominent button down there. Windshield wiper up the top. Now Packard at this point introduced brakes that were vacuum boosted, and right now you're seeing the rumble seat and the luggage carrier. And there's a step into that rumble seat. And there you see a little door that would house perhaps golf clubs. This would be the typical car that the country club set would drive to the golf course. So even in the heart of the Depression, some people did have money. Nice wire wheels, and you can see the hood has ventilator doors, and that the car participated in a rally. Very nice.